Good morning, everyone. I'm Jesse with Three Little Goats Homestead, and we're going to keep doing our thing. So, what's on the agenda? Today, a friend is supposed to bring over that concrete slab that I've been preparing for, and hopefully it works out. But I had to go ahead and put the, what is it called? Pallet forks on the tractor. And while we wait, we're going to work on the house. I got the word back from the builders that just put the sheetrock up in that little HVAC room thing, and it doesn't have to be special or whatever. Just put it up that way. It's there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some supplies, and we're gonna get to it.
With calloused hands, Mama stitched pride into homemade plans. Grandma's voice sang in the southern breeze. Freedom's roots run deep like old oak trees. I was made in America, born with a fire, raised on faith in small town choir. Dust on my boots, but I'm climbing still. From red dirt roads to the city lights glare, you'll find my spirit standing there. I was made in America, and I ain't going nowhere. Learned to pray before I learned to fight. Kept my truth in the broad daylight. A little grit in a world too fast. I hold on tight to things that last. Flags may fade, but they don't fall. We rise again when we've lost it all. I was made in America, built from the ground. Still echoing loud. Cornfield dreams and a rebel heart. Every scar a badge, every tear a part. From coast to coast, I'm proud to declare this girl was made in America. I'm already there. I was made in America, born with a fire, raised on faith in small town choir. Heartland soul and a tireless will. Dust on my boots, but I'm climbing still. From red dirt roads to the city lights glare, you'll find my spirit standing there.
Oh boy. Sure, I could have done this. I mean, excuse me. Sure, Jamie could have done this by herself, but I really enjoy feeding these little guys.
So one day I'm out here and I'm being massacred by a bunch of baby hungry goats. Especially Tiny. I think she'd take me out at the kneecaps.
That's Tiny. Who's got the yips over there?
garden.
Alrighty, lunch is over. Little ones, nuggies. Everybody's gonna be napping real soon. Alright, stop messing around. Let's get this done.
I've been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for so many times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. An infatuated light. Although it hurts me to be with you, I'm always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. For infatuated light. Although it hurts me to be with you, I'm always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. For I'm always in bloom, always in bloom for you.
Scared me. You don't live here? Not yet, anyway.
I squat here.
Oh, you're like finishing it.
What'd you say?
I forgot about this side.
I did not. I use scrap to do that. No, I mean, this one doesn't have to be perfect at all. Just for the simple fact that we will never see the inside of this. it raises the thing up. I don't like it. I'm gonna find another one.
Where'd you get it?
B&B. Can I have the screws behind you? Alright, so there we go. It is not perfect. In fact, I'm going to get me a drywall screw gun, and I'm going to get a router, and whatever else I think I need to do this again. Because, I don't know what I did here. I'm going to have to go back through and screw in a few of these because my screw gun is it's too wide for the corners. A little sad about it, but it is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and knock that out and decide if I'm going to do mudding today or not. All right, I'm going to have to wrap it up for the day. We have milk drop-offs in the town up next door. And
Got milk cows.
just got to milk cows, do all the chores, and get everything ready to go.
We got kids being picked up.
And what?
Baby kids getting picked up.
And baby kids need to get picked up.
Yep.
And
Naps.
what are these nap things? And honestly, it took me all day to get that done today.
Didn't take you all day. It just took all day because of interruptions.
Yeah, we have a lot of people that come over and we talk and everything else, and we're friends, so that's how it goes. So when I start on this house completely, looks like the boss will have to.
You want to chat? Pick up a hammer.
Yep. You want to hang out? Grab some drywall, which is fine. I mean, I really do like our customers and our friends. Our customers are our friends. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. And I don't know. You got anything else to say? No? All right. Well,
If you like this video, or if you didn't like this video, just give it a thumbs up anyway. And I guess there's like a new thing if you're on mobile where you can hype this video. I'm not technologicals, but I just seen that yesterday. So if you have that, check that out and hype the video up if you can, and be sure to subscribe because we are finally actually doing something in here, which is exciting.
yep.
So subscribe for all of that, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.